This is the hotel management mobile application where user can book, explore a hotel. If user want to log in, they can log in from here. If user want to sign up, they can sign up by entering a first name, last name, email address, mobile number and password. If user want to explore only hotel, they can do continue without login. Yes, now hotels is loading. So here is all hotels. We can see all hotels with address, price starting from and dynamic currency. We can search also search hotel from here, the green corridor. Yes, let we search Fun Leo Beach Hotel. Here is a hotel details screen where we can see all hotel details, which is coming from Odoo. Images, hotel names, price, date selection. If we want to book a banquet, hotel description, amenities, services, policies, and location. Like I want to book a room for today, 16th to 18th December. Okay. After clicking on book now, I will get the all available rooms from this hotels. I will get only available rooms. Here is all rooms with description, room size, amenities. Yes, here is all amenities, room amenities. Let we book one luxury. Here is a price showing 2000, but we booked it for 2 nights. That's why it is showing 4000. Yes, after this, here if I want to book any extra services, let me add a spa and gym. I want to book transport also for any transporter, airport to hotels for 2 day 9:30 p.m. Okay. Yes, here is a total amount 4175. At the time of booking, we need a login required from user. Rohit.com 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay. Yes, here is a login successful, and here is all reservation details, booking ID, guest name, booking date, check-in, check-out date, additional services, transport detail, and price breakdown. If I want to cancel reservation, I can do it from here. If I want to confirm reservation, I have to pay. Let me pay amount. Yes, amount is paid and your reservation is confirmed. Yes, we can see it is from booking tab. We can see reservation number 762 is now confirmed. Here is all details. Once you reach hotel, the hotel person do the check-in, receptionist. Yes, now let me do from check-in from Odoo. Here is a yes, now we can see that our reservation is active, which means we checked in at the hotel. After check-in, if we want to book any services, like I want to book a housekeeping, we can simply do click on 3 dots on reservation details, book housekeeping. I want to book housekeeping for 2 day. Yes, for last slot, floor cleaning and changing bed sheet. Here is my request is submitted. From housekeeping, I can see and track all requests. Once the admin will proceed, we can see all updated data from here. Let me do clean from Odoo. Yes, clean. Yes, room it is clean now. Now it is in inspection state, and now it is done. Okay, from here we can see a book. We can do book laundry also, like I want to wash my clothes, 5 shirts and 3 pants. Let me add this service, and also I want it before tomorrow. Okay, book laundry service. My laundry service is booked. Same from view laundry I can track my laundry request is. Yes, we can see currently it's sent to laundry, return from laundry, customer return, and once customer approve it, it will completed, which means in done state. Yes, we can see it completed. Now in reservation detail we will see all details. Okay, here user will see all details and updated amount here. Like I've already paid some amount, but I have to pay $80 for laundry. User can pay it from here also. Yes, I will pay $80 from here. Yes, payment is successful. Here is the all flow of mobile application. Thank you.